In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make baked falafel, a healthy version of the Lebanese street food. I'm Fiona. Welcome to Fiona's Food for Life. I love falafels as a really nice snack, but unfortunately, usually when you buy them, they've been deep fried and that oil has probably been used over and over again. So today, I'm going to make a healthy one. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to start with an onion. I'm going to chop it into small pieces. So it's half a red onion you need. Two cloves of garlic, and we're going to pop it all into the food processor. Don't have to peel the garlic in this garlic crusher, it's great. So we've got our 2 cloves of garlic, our half a chopped red onion, we have 50 grams of lightly toasted cashew nuts, we have some coriander, now, this is creamed coconut, so it's solid, and that's what you can use to, say, make a coconut yogurt. You'll usually buy it in a health food shop, and sometimes on the Asian aisle of your supermarket they'll have it. So you need to chop that up a little bit. So you've got your cashews, your herb, your creamed coconut. Now I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of ground flaxseed. We're going to add in some spices, cumin. I've got 2 teaspoons of cumin and 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. And then I'm going to start with the juice of maybe half a lemon. If I find later on that it's a bit thick, I might add a little bit more. We're going to blitz that up. Basically what you're doing is you're blitzing up everything except for the chickpeas at this stage. So that's perfect. Now we have it into a lovely paste. Now we're going to add in our 2 tins of chickpeas, which have been drained, rinsed and drained. Now's a good time to add your pepper and salt. It's a tiny bit dry to me, so I'm just going to add a little bit more lemon juice. I think that's good now. I want it slightly chunky. I don't want it all together like a hummus. Then you're going to get it into your hand and you're going to form it into little balls. At this stage, you can taste it, see if the spices, if it's spicy enough for you, if you need a little bit more seasoning. Because really all it's going to do in the oven is dry out that little bit. It won't go as crispy as it is fried, but they are really, really tasty. I got 25 falafel out of that batch. So we're going to pop it into the oven at 180 degrees Celsius to bake, really to heat through and to dry out slightly, and it'll become very slightly crispy on the outside. To go with the lovely falafel, I'm going to make some hummus. The hummus that you would buy in supermarkets quite often can have up to 40% oil. That's to preserve it and also for consistency. This quick hummus I'm going to show you how to make today doesn't have any oil. Now, it will only keep for 2 or 3 days, but it's really, really nice and can be made in under 3 minutes. We have a tin of chickpeas, which have been rinsed well and drained. I'm going to add 2 cloves of garlic, add a teaspoon of salt, 100 mils of tahini. So tahini is a sesame seed paste. I find to buy it in the Asian supermarket is usually the best value. Some water. I'm going to start with about 50 mils of water. As it goes along, I'll see if I need to add a bit more. And I'm going to add the juice of the lemon. We simply blitz it all up. Taste it. Yep, that's good to me. It's slightly thick for what I wanted, so I'm just going to add a little bit more water. And there you have a lovely quick hummus. I like it slightly coarse. If you wanted it really smooth, just keep blitzing for another couple of seconds. And it's beautiful, healthy dip to have with nice veggies in a lunchbox or with the falafel. The falafel have now been in the oven for about 20 minutes. So what I tend to do is I would just serve it with a side salad, a basic side salad, and perhaps some of my sauerkraut. And then we have a few crispy falafel there and a nice dollop of the hummus. And I often, with a dish like this, would look and think, how can I add even more nutrients to it? So sometimes my toasted sunflower and pumpkin seeds, they'd be nice sprinkled over the salad or over the hummus. There you go. I hope you enjoyed today's video on making baked falafel. Please like and leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe. And why not check out my other videos like sauerkraut, which I served with the falafel today, or other vegetarian meals like dal. Thanks a million. See you soon.